What's up you guys? Welcome to this video. So today I am going to be doing a major closet clean out, or at least I hope it's major because I have a lot of stuff in this closet that I don't actually wear, so I thought would be a good time to just declutter that stuff, probably donate it, sell it or something, and I just figured that I would take you guys along for the ride. So yeah, let's just get started. Alright, so the first part of my closet is dresses. So this is a dress that I wore sophomore year, so I think I was 15 and never wore it again, and then wore it for my 19th birthday, and I'm not sure when I'm going to wear it again, but it is a very nice formal dress that I think I'm gonna keep because I feel like if a occasion comes again a nice fancy occasion comes again, I can wear this for. This is just such a big impulse buy. This is so terrible. So basically, I watched this YouTuber, her name is Chase Amy, and she wore this dress in one of her Instagram pictures. Absolutely, it just looks so good on her. So I was just like, oh my gosh, I want that dress so bad. So I bought this used off of Mercari for $25 on the original website of Nordstrom. It's like $89, and then on the anniversary sale it's like 50 something, but this is $25, so I didn't get it for too expensive, so that was really exciting, but I just don't feel like I'm gonna wear this or have the occasion to wear it. Also, this is supposed to be a midi dress, and on me it's a maxi dress because I'm like 5 foot, so I'm just not sure what I'm gonna do with this. I might try to resell it, but I don't know. I just feel like I should not have bought this because it's something you would want to wear to a wedding maybe, but I don't have a wedding to go to. What the heck was I thinking? But yeah, it's just a beautiful dress, but I just don't think I'm going to be using it anytime soon. So yeah. Now this is a dress that I'm just kind of sad that I'm gonna say that I'm getting rid of it because it was just, I fell in love with this dress when I saw it. So this is a dress from Luca and Gray. If you know the YouTuber Aspen Ovard, that's her store, and I'm noticing a trend with dresses and YouTubers now, unfortunately. But this just she wore this for her baby shower pictures or something, and she just looks so good in it, and I was like, oh my gosh, I want that so bad. So I bought it, and I think I just convinced myself that it was flattering on me, but I just don't really think it is. I just feel like the whole V-neck just doesn't suit me very well, and I wear a tank top under it, and just it looks alright, but it's just not, I don't think it's my style, but at the same time it just doesn't look great on me. I just feel like something with the wrap detail is just I don't know, makes me I don't have a super waist, so I just feel like it's just not really doing great things for me. I think my mom ordered for herself, but then she decided to give me, and it is this pink dress. I was gonna say suit, but the top of it's a suit, but it's obviously a dress. It has shoulder pads in it, which is kind of weird for something this style. It's from Just Fab, and I wore this in Vegas once, and it's very businessy and kind of cool, so I think I might keep it, but at the same time I'm not sure when I'm gonna wear it again, so I feel like maybe having a few dresses that I might wear if I have an occasion will be good to keep, because I think this is really cute and flattering, but it's just I don't know. I feel like this is something that you want to, I would say 9-to-5 job, but this is such a loud color. You don't really want to go to a 9-to-5 job in this. But yeah, here you go. Alright, so this have not worn. I have a big problem with stripes for some reason, which is funny because one of my favorite shirts has stripes. But when I was 13 or 14 or something, I was watching this fashion video that said stripes make you look wider and vertical stripes make you look taller. So I have a big problem with stripes. I feel like even though it might not actually make me seem wider, but I feel like my brain has been conditioned to think that. I had a version of this that it got stained, but it was gray and it looked really nice, but I'm not a fan of stripes, and this thing up here is kind of weird, so I have not worn this in maybe 2 years, and it's just been sitting in my closet, so I think I'm gonna get rid of this one. Alright, so this is something that I absolutely love. It just looks so flattering, it's so nice on me, but I don't really think it's my style, so this is super weird, but I don't know, it's just it's really preppy and it's really nice, and the colors are nice because it's Tommy Hilfiger, but like it's not something that I would normally wear, but I think it's something that, you know, I'm gonna keep because it looks good on me, but it's just not something that I think I would normally pick out for myself. So this is kind of an interesting buy, so yeah. All right, so I don't know why I just like kept this for so long, but this sweater looks really good with like a skater skirt, and I think I've just held on to that outfit for so long, but it just has this run like right here, and it just bothers me so much that like I just don't want to wear it. I don't want to wear that outfit anymore. And if I don't even want to wear the outfit and I'm keeping this for the outfit, I don't understand why I would keep this. It makes no sense, but it is very cute, but the run just really bothers me, and I just can't wear that because I would just think about it when I'm wearing it. Alright guys, so this next thing is just something that's really not my style. I just don't think a red is just my color or a good color for me. Like, I don't own anything that's all red, and I don't wear this at all. And I think it's really nice. Like, it's Ralph Lauren, it has this really cool embroidery, but I just never find myself wearing it. So I think I'm just going to get rid of this one. Okay, so this is something that I really like this shirt, but I just don't find myself wearing it. So I have like this big thing about like whenever I have to wear something, it just has to be a little bit convenient to wear and like not just a hassle. So the thing with this is that it has this little see-through detailing like going up the sides, and I think it's really pretty, and I just like love how this looks and how it like sits. But my main problem is having to wear a strapless bra because like it just doesn't look good with a nude bra strap, which I normally do because I really don't like strapless bras, and I'm like, who cares if the nude bra strap, I mean, it's kind of noticeable, but like people know it's not supposed to be noticeable. So I think nude bra straps are fine for clothes like that, but like this, it just doesn't really work out. It just doesn't look as nice without a strapless bra, and I just hate strapless bras. So I don't find myself ever wearing this. So I just don't think for the convenience sake that I'm gonna keep this. So, which is kind of sad, but like I feel like I can find it a good home if I resell it on like Poshmark or Mercury or something. All right, so this shirt, love the shirt. I've worn it so many times, but the pilling is just kind of getting insane. Like, I bought this at a thrift store and it was barely used, and now you can tell it's been used. So there's like pilling over here, especially on the parts next to the sequins, which really sucks. Yeah, it's mostly on the white parts and then some on this part, and I've already gone through it with a pill remover, but like it's still really pilly, and I'm not sure if I like that about it. Maybe it's just been worn a little too much. So yeah. All right, so moving on to like the second part of my closet. I just don't think I wear vests. Like, vests are just not my thing, not my style, and I just don't want to wear them, and I don't like vests. I don't know how I ended up with like a few number of vests in my closet, so not my thing. I've been having this kind of problem with a few of the pink things I own with the pilling, and it's not the best. Like, it has a lot of like little fuzzies, and I just don't think this looks as good as it did when I first got it, and after I just wore it a few times, it just doesn't look as good and as nice, and it's just like, it looks like it's been so worn. It's like, really hasn't, so it kind of sucks. This shirt is from H&M, and my boyfriend actually bought it for me, and it's really nice, and I love this shirt, and it has like sentimental value, but it just, the cracking right here is just, oh, you can't see that, but like this white part right here is like, so, you can see it a little bit, but this white part right here is just so cracked, and it just doesn't look nice, and I don't know, I just don't like the fact that it cracked, and I just don't think it looks that nice anymore. But I think I will keep it, maybe like fold it up and like in a drawer instead of hanging with my clothes for normal everyday wear. But I don't know, like this is the reason why I don't really shop at H&M, especially printed things, because I just don't feel like the quality is there, and this was only $10, so yeah. Alright, so this next dress I wore to sophomore, junior, I wore this for one of my dances in high school, and I don't think I'm gonna wear it again. Like, that's just like fact. I don't know, it's just not super nice anymore, and it has a stain. What? I don't know where that stain came from, but it's nice, but I don't think I'm gonna wear it again. I love this dress. Wore it a few times. I know I said red wasn't my color, but dresses, I think I can make an exception. But it has this like little rip next to this, oh, not that one, this one. It has a rip right here, and I'm not sure if I can fix that. I don't know. I have decent sewing skills, but I feel like because it's like a ring, that kind of makes it a little bit harder to fix. And it also happened like right over here just a little bit. I don't know. I might try to repair that because this is a really nice dress and I've worn it quite a lot. But yeah, it's just, maybe it's seen its days. I don't know. But yeah, I think I'm gonna try to fix that if I can. Alright guys, so that was everything that I decided to clear up in my closet. I did skip a few of the things I knew I was definitely gonna keep because in order to not make this video super long, and a lot of the other things I have worn quite frequently, so I think those are safe. And I might do another closet clear out if I deem certain things that I haven't worn even after clearing this stuff out. So I'm gonna just show you. Yep, that's a lot of stuff. So yeah guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see more videos, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I think my thing's sideways, but yeah, hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!